Good morning, students. Our today's topic is how humans produce sound. We will learn that how human beings are capable of producing sound, that is, which organs are responsible for production of sound. Humans can produce sound by the vibration of a pair of thin membranes, also known as vocal cords, which is present in the larynx region inside our mouth. Larynx is also known as voice box. The vocal cords have a thin slit or opening between them, which starts vibrating when air from the lungs passes out through the trachea. The vocal cords are spread over a tiny opening above the trachea, and when the air moves out of the trachea, it passes through the thin slit between the vocal cord, and that results in vibration of the vocal cords. We will better understand this by the help of this given diagram. You can see human beings have a nasal cavity. This is the nasal cavity and this is the buccal cavity. The place where the nasal cavity and buccal cavity meet, that region is called pharynx region. Now, related with the respiratory system, there is an area just above the trachea which is known as larynx, and above the larynx only two thin membranes are attached, that is the vocal cords. Now in this picture we can see these are the two vocal cords and there is a tiny opening between the vocal cord here, and this is the trachea from where the air comes out. When air comes out of the trachea, the tiny opening or the thin slit between the two vocal cord, that starts vibrating and that leads to production of sound. So this is how the human beings can produce sound. Now we will learn a few examples of sound which is produced by some other organisms, special sounds produced by some other organisms. As for example, organisms like honeybee produce buzzing sound by the rapid movement of their wings and vibrating the air around them. This is the way honeybees communicate with each other. Simultaneously, other insects like cricket and grasshopper, they produce sound by rubbing rasp-like structure with their wings. So many other organisms are also there which produce sound by other means other than the way human beings produce sound. The way human beings are producing sound, in a similar way, almost all the mammals can produce sound. So our today's topic will be this much. Rest of the things we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.